Springfield to Greenfield, the impacts of this winter weather are being felt across our area. But sleet in one town might be snow in the next. 22 News reporter Kate Wilkinson explains from our Franklin County Bureau in Greenfield.
If you were looking for a winter wonderland, you weren't necessarily going to find it here in Greenfield, and that's because the rain and the snow mix, and that left behind all of this slush. But cross town lines to Shelburne Falls, that might be more your speed. For Thomas from Shelburne Falls, snow brings back memories about growing up in New England.
Going trick-or-treating, and my dad had me put on a snowsuit because he didn't want me to freeze in just my Spider-Man costume, so.
Did anyone know you were Spider-Man then?
No.
He's looking forward to creating new memories with his two young children, one of them 10 months old.
He's definitely going to be able to be covered in snow. Might even make him into a little snowman, who knows?
With the snow falling, the plows clearing the roads, sometimes the best plans are no plans.
Not me.
No, I'll probably just be playing music and hanging out. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Reading.
And while it may mean the walkways need to be shoveled and the roads are trickier to drive on, snow in New England is still worth taking in.
I love it. It makes
great.
the village really pretty.
And all the snow comes with good news for Berkshire Easton. They're planning to open up Saturday, 8:30 a.m. Working for you from the Franklin County Bureau in Greenfield, Kate Wilkinson, 22 News.